All right. What's up, people? We back in the lab. So here it is, SR20 fresh, all together, all in together now. So it's fresh. Yeah, there we go. So timing chain on, timed. We already went 4 turns around. Back to TDC. All our match marks, and that's it. So I'll get ready now. Go ahead, put the rocker arm stoppers back in place. Sometimes that's one of the drawbacks of rocker arm stoppers. You cannot turn the camshaft with them in place. But anyway, so yeah, that's it. Fresh. Another one. I'm out of here. Later.